Oh, this tastes so good. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today I got on my little Santa hat. So today y'all, I'm gonna be making hot chocolate bomb, and we're gonna get right into it. Just broke it. Oh no. And this is when I messed up. I messed up the whole entire thing. So this is gonna be expectation versus reality while making content. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Alright, so y'all, this is the one that's broke. Completely broke. This one is real broke. This is real broke. But this one is not that bad. I'm going to be able to still use this one. We're going to fill this bad boy up. Get this piece and you're gonna push. Wait, is this the wrong one? Do y'all be forgetting to take a thumbnail, or is just me? Okay, so my timer is going off. Okay, so let's see. With my little ghetto thing. So did I say 10 minutes or 15 minutes? I did 15 minutes. So we about to get started. Because I've been wanting some hot chocolate. Oh my god, I'm going to show y'all my hot chocolate bar. I'm gonna do that. Hot cocoa bar. I'm gonna do that in another video. I'm gonna show y'all. What's on me? I guess I'm just dancing away the sadness. The kitchen that I imagine to have is gonna be this way, and I have the camera right here, and then y'all can see everything, so I ain't gotta do all these different type of weird angles. But don't worry, I'm gonna have it one day, and I'm gonna look back at this video particularly. I'm like, remember when you said this? So okay y'all, let me for real. All right, let me put the camera facing down. This is ghetto. I think I broke this one, y'all. I think I did. Yep, I did. I broke it. Okay, let's try this other one. I'm making a mess. But like, what did I do wrong this time? This one got bumps in it, like. Alright, so this one broke, but we're gonna make it work. We can't make it work because it needs to go on top. I gotta do this over. Push it. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to look. But y'all, honestly, it's still gonna work and it's still gonna taste the same. So I'm gonna put this in a mold and y'all gonna see. Y'all, I'm gonna put it in a cup with my hot cocoa and y'all gonna see how it looks. I shouldn't post this, but you know, it's real life content. I ain't gonna fake like it's perfect because it's not. But I'm gonna make another one and then let's see if that one come out right. I was gonna edit out the first part, but I'm not gonna do that because y'all get to see what it's like making content and you make mistakes. So I'm not gonna edit it out.